Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Probably not many more videos on KODK unless something happens again. Which is why we started it, vertical up, vertical down. Hit our next major area, this 834 area. What was the open today? The open was 890. It was a low 850, so close enough for us. Back below the daily rotation zone. Looks to have completed the vertical down pattern. I'll just give out some levels if anybody's still trying to hold this or trade this, because we put out warnings that you can get trapped in this, that this is not for the average person. Looks like that loan deal the whole reason it ramped up may be put on hold and then completely in jeopardy. Now, 14 bucks is your first area on any rally of resistance, and then the gap fill. Gap fill would be up to 1468. First cross the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart. Next level lower is down all the way at 421. I'd be watching about 4 bucks to 421 as the next level of support, and then you'd have to do more projections, but it's pretty much come full circle. Not much trading going on, just a lot of people stuck who didn't get out and were hoping it was going to ramp back up, but a lot of times vertical up, vertical down, and that's what we have for you on KODK. We'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.